Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be setting up the Reolink Go Plus camera. Alright. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the app on my Android phone. Okay? So we're going to go to the Google Play Store first. Alright, there it is right there. Install. And earlier, basically I went in there, I had this open earlier, and I searched Relo app for Android in the search bar. So it's installing right now. Shouldn't take very long. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. Alright, accept the terms of service. Okay, allow it to access photos, media, and files for this device. Alright. So, okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, since we got the app successfully installed, I'm going to talk a little bit about the SIMS card and also the MicroSD card that you use it for local storage on the camera and also the battery. And then after I talk about that, I'll come back and I'll add the camera. Okay, so with this camera, it basically works off a 4G data plan, and I found that the cheapest data plan is provided by EOT Club. Okay, so basically it runs off of AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile. Here's the SIMS card, and this was by far the cheapest. And when it comes to the MicroSD card, I just basically went to Walmart and just got a 32 gigabyte SD card. You know, it was pretty cheap. You know, SanDisk is a pretty good brand. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so as you can see, the SIMS card goes right here in this slot. So I'm just going to insert it. Alright, just like that, if you guys can see. And then just push it in. Alright, till it's snug. There it is. Hopefully you can see. And then the micro SD card is next. And you see how I'm inserting it? It's just like that. And slide it in. And then it will click. And then it's secure. Okay, and then next, I'm going to install the battery. And as you can see, it basically lines up with the grooves. Okay, these grooves, and it just slides right in. Okay, you can hear it. You can hear it seat. And then basically, I'm just going to put the cover back on. All right. So, okay. So you see it has the red light. So it's searching for the network. And once it's basically found the network, it will blink like that with the blue light. Okay. So that's good to go right there. So basically when you get this, you have to follow the directions, and you basically got to activate your SIM just like any other cellular plan, and then basically you choose your plan. With this card, out of the box, it came with the 100 megabyte trial plan from Jump Street. So there we go. There's kind of the instructions, what you need to do with that. Basically how to set it up and activate it and such. Okay. So now we're back at the app, and then I'm going to hit add to add the camera. Alright, so basically allow it. Okay, we're going to let it, we're going to hit allow there to allow it to access my pictures and videos. So right here, we're going to scan this this barcode with your camera on the front using the app. So the app uses your camera to do this, and I'm just going to line it up and scan it. Scan the barcode. Alright guys, I just scanned that, and the device is connecting. Okay guys, so it prompted me for the password, and there we go. This bad boy is set up. So there's a couple things that I had to do off camera. So basically it's a situation, once it found the camera, after I scanned it, it asked me to set a password for the camera. So I did that, and it also wanted me to name the camera, right? Which I've named it, okay? Chicken coop. Alright, so that's that. Guys, so stay tuned for part 3 of this video series, where I teach you how to mount the camera and also mount the solar panel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.